Now, the Congress party has hit back at the Bharatiya Janata Party and asked them to not interfere in the party's internal matters. The Congress further alleged that Mr. Rahul Gandhi was not running away from Amethi.
ये मसले बहुत छोटे से हैं। ये पार्टी का लोकतांत्रिक हमारी एक स्क्रीनिंग है, हमारी सीईसी बैठ रही है, सबको सुना जा रहा है और लोकतांत्रिक तरीकों से फैसले किए जा रहे हैं। भाजपा की तरह थोड़ी ना मीनाक्षी लेखी मार्गदर्शन मंडल में, अरे 10 साल आपकी सांसद थी, नई दिल्ली से केंद्रीय मंत्री थी, क्या हो गया मार्गदर्शन मंडल? डॉक्टर हर्षवर्धन कोरोना काल में शानदार काम, 10 साल के सांसद, चांदनी चौक से डॉक्टर हर्षवर्धन केंद्रीय मंत्री, घर बिठा दिए गए। गौतम गंभीर की उम्र थी मार्गदर्शन मंडल में जाने की, चंडीगढ़ की किरण खेर को आपने घर बिठा दिया। कोई कहीं नहीं भाग रहा। जिस आदमी की राहुल गांधी की आप बात कर रहे हैं भाग रहे हैं अमेठी से, उसी राहुल गांधी जी ने उत्तर से दक्षिण, पूर्व से पश्चिम 10,000 किलोमीटर की यात्रा की है इस देश की सड़कों पर।
Well, let me go across to Adeep for more on this. Adeep, the very fact that the Congress party has not yet named any candidate from either Raebareli or Amethi is only adding to the suspense. It's also giving the BJP an opportunity to make some claims about Mr. Vadra contesting now from Raebareli.
Well, definitely Congress party hasn't declared any candidate as of now, and this is leading to suspense over the seats of Amethi and Raebareli. Earlier, we saw how from time to time Robert Vadra is saying that if given a chance, he wants to contest the Lok Sabha elections from the seat of Amethi. And now today, we saw the posters of Robert Vadra being placed in Amethi right outside the Congress office and on different parts of Amethi, in which it was clearly stating that the people of Amethi wants Robert Vadra to contest from Amethi. However, Congress is yet to announce those seats. The police, in the meanwhile, removed those posters from outside from the Congress office and from the different parts wherever those posters were placed by the workers of the Congress. We are being told that those posters were put up by some of the old Congress party workers who are saying that Robert Vadra is the family member of Gandhi family, and if he is contesting from Amethi, we will support him. However, there are other people also who demands that only Gandhi family members should only contest from these particular seats, for which they have sent multiple requests to the Uttar Pradesh Congress Committee, and UPCC has sent multiple times proposal to AICC demanding that they field Gandhi family members only from the seat of Amethi and Raebareli. And what we are being told right now, Siddharth, through our sources, is that Congress is expected to undergo a CC meet on the day of 26, which is the second phase of election. Congress can be holding a CC meet on 26th or right after that, in which they will decide the seats for Amethi and Raebareli. Currently, Congress is fighting on 17 seats in Uttar Pradesh, out of which 15 seats they have declared. They have announced their candidates, and only 2 seats, Amethi and Raebareli, are left for Congress to declare.
And what's also added to the speculation, Adeep, is the fact that Mr. Vadra himself has spoken on 2 occasions. Once where he said that the people of Amethi want him to contest against Smriti Irani. The second time round, he said he's not going to confine the focus just to Amethi. He's willing to contest from anywhere because that's the demand that's coming from the ground as far as the people and supporters of the Congress are concerned.
Well, definitely, Robert Vadra has been saying the first time when he spoke in Delhi, he said that he wanted to fight from Amethi, and if given a chance, he will fight from Amethi. Second time when he was in Mathura, Uttar Pradesh, he was talking that he will contest elections, but if given a chance, and the people of Amethi wants him. They are fed up with the current MP, and it's the voice of the people of Amethi. They are saying to me, they are telling me that I should come to Amethi and I should fight elections from that particular seat.